Hello guys, welcome back. In previous video we started working on our dashboard, and in this video we will continue working on that topic. Previously we added KPI cards to our dashboard, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add charts to our dashboard. So let's get started. First we need to understand who is our stakeholder, which means basically who is the person for which we are building this dashboard. In this case, let's say that we are creating this dashboard for sales manager. So our focus will be mostly on sales. Now if we know that, we can proceed with adding charts. Now, what could be interesting for us? If we check our data source, we will see some interesting columns. For example, this region column is very interesting. So, let's add a chart to display that information. I'm gonna go to add a chart, and then let's choose donut chart. I'm gonna place it here. And now I'm gonna include some information. So, first, it will be region. I'm gonna place it here in dimension. And then we already have sales in this metric box. Now we have sales for each of these regions. We have also dedicated percentage, and if we hover over, we will see absolute value. Great. Now I'm gonna proceed to next chart. In the one of the next videos, I'm gonna also customize these charts and basically make them look nicer. Okay, now that we added this information, let's proceed to our data source and let's see what other information we could include in our dashboard. We can also display sales by channel. Now let's do that. I'm gonna go to add a chart. And now I can use this column chart. I'm gonna place it here. And then in this dimension box we have region. Instead of that we will provide channel. And instead of order quantity I'm gonna provide sales. I will resize this chart a bit. Great, now let's proceed with the next chart. Let's find another interesting column for us. So in this case we could use country. We have region, and basically we can also display our countries. So I'm gonna go to add a chart. Let's go to geo chart. I'm gonna place it here below. And now as you can see, by default we have country and sales. So we will not change that. We will leave this as it is for now, and later we will customize this chart as well. Now after we added country information, let's check what other information we could include. We will skip this information for now, and I'm gonna go to product category. We will be using that one, but let me show you how can we use that. I'm gonna go to add a chart, then bar chart. I'm gonna place it here. And now we will be using drill down. Let's see how to use that option. Instead of country, I'm gonna be using product category. And instead of order quantity, I'm gonna use sales. Let's place it here. I'm gonna remove order quantity, and now I'm gonna click on this drill down option. Let's add product subcategory and also product name. Now, if I go to view mode, if I go to this chart, we will be able to see sales by product category. If we click on this arrow here, we will be able to see sales for each product subcategory. And if we click on that one more time, we will be able to see our sales by each product. Now if I go back, if I click on computers, and then to click on drill down, we will be able to see product subcategories only for computers. If I click on this one, and if I click again here, I will be able to see only dedicated products. Great, I'm gonna go back, and let's go to edit mode. Now with creating this chart, we have information for product category, name and subcategory. I'm gonna include one more information in this dashboard. Let's go to add a chart. And now we will be using time series chart. I'm gonna place it here. And now we need to provide some information. In this dimension, we will keep this order date. But in the metric box, I'm gonna use sales again. Now this chart is not very clear, so I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna click on this, date type, date and time, and let's use month. Or actually instead of month, let's use month year. So I'm gonna click on year month, and we will have all these values in this chart. Now let me just replace those charts. We will of course need to resize them and also to modify them, but I'm gonna do that in the next videos. Also, after this video, I'm gonna be working on filters. I'm gonna include some filters in this dashboard and it will be more dynamic. So with this, I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank you for watching.